guys, so today I am going to be doing this look for you guys with these super long lashes that seem to be taking over the Instagram world. I don't know much about YouTube world, but it's definitely all over Instagram. These very long lashes, they're like at least 1.5 inches long, like crazy. All right, so before I continue, I wanted to let you guys know that the hair that I have on my head, this wig, I made, okay, with hair provided from UNice Hair. I'll have the information to their store down below in the description box, but I also colored this hair, and there is a tutorial for you guys on my channel, and I hope you enjoy it. It's super easy, very helpful, I feel, okay, and there's not like a whole bunch of extra chemicals that you need to mix. It's just bleach and developer. Okay, if you guys want to see how I colored this hair, check the description box. There's always a lot of information in there, including my affiliate codes to get discounts and all that good stuff, and the information to the hair. As far as the hair, the quality, amazing. UNice has really, improved on their hair quality. I bleached the hair and did a lot to it, and it still feels amazing. It doesn't feel dry or anything. It holds curls well and all of that. I've had these curls in since yesterday and they're still holding up. So if you guys are interested in the hair, make sure you check down below in the description box. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this, I feel like winter going into spring look, please keep on watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video because it helps my channel, makes you see me and makes me visible. All right, love you guys, enjoy. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna start off with my Milani concealer. This is their new formula that they came out with. It's super full coverage. You just need a tiny bit to cover, so I'm just gonna use this as my primer today, and the palette I am using is from OPV. This is their new Spotlight palette. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely love this palette, you guys. The colors are so pretty. This is my first time using it. Just love the colors. So the first shade is called Public Eye. I'm going to put that into my transition area. Then I'm going to go in with this chocolatey shade, and it's called Dazzle Night, and put this into my crease and blend it up into my transition area. We're going to do a halo look, so I'm going to apply a bit of this to the outer part of my lid and the inner part of my lid as well. And I'm just using a small pointed blending brush to do this. Then I'm going to go in with my large fluffy blending brush. This one is from Sedona Lace. I'm just going to blend those two colors out together. Then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of like a pinky red to this. The shade is called Star. And then once I'm done blending that in, I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer. Not trying to do anything sharp, but just kind of give it more like a slight defined area of where I want this color to be. And I'm going to put on this beautiful kind of mossy, like a teal color. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put this into the center part of my lid with a shadow brush. The shade is called Notoriety, by the way. Beautiful name for a beautiful shade. All right, now I'm going to go in with this yellow eyeliner marker from ColourPop, which performs well on bare skin, without product, but once you have eyeshadow underneath it, it kind of cracks and separates. So what I would do if you have this product, put down something waxy, almost, like a layer of white eyeliner pencil, then go over it with this product because it does crack and it becomes very patchy. It does have a good amount of pigment in it, but the thing is you just kind of need a layer under it. You don't want to put it directly over eyeshadow because it will crack. So put like a white waxy eyeliner and then put the yellow on top of that. Okay, here I'm using the same type of pencil, also from ColourPop. This is the white formula, and I'm putting this into my crease, just kind of making a little line there, a little razzle dazzle. I do plan on bringing my colorful looks back. It is almost spring, the weather has been going in and out. One day it's spring, one day it's winter, one day it's a thunderstorm, one day it doesn't know what it wants to do right now. So I'm trying to bring the colorful looks in just to kind of see if I can do, like, I don't know, conjure spring up all the way. So I added that L'Oreal Duo mascara, and then I'm gonna go in with these lashes from a company called Star Lash. They are very, very long, a bit complicated to put on. They did make my eye water, but yeah, once they were on, they looked really cool. But yeah, they're really long. So if you're not into like super long lashes, these may not be it for you, okay? I'm also going to line my waterline using this Glide On Gel Liner Pencil from LA Girl in the shade Mermaid Blue. And then I'm going to go in with that chocolatey brown shade and apply this right underneath my lower lashes and smoke it out. Then go in with this black shade and put it as close as I can underneath the blue shade, as close as I can to my lower lashes, just to kind of make my lower lashes look fuller than they actually are. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back in with that mascara. It's a two-step mascara, so I use both steps just to give my bottom lashes a fuller look. So this is the final look for the eyes. Alright, you guys, for foundation, I'm using my Milani what is it, Conceal and Perfect foundation. There's so many, you guys, like it's really hard to kind of keep up with these names. I always tell you guys this, but it's in the shade Nutmeg. I'm doing a very thin layer. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but the marks on my skin have been clearing up. If you guys want an updated skincare routine, make sure you thumbs up this video. Let me know if you want to see it. I feel like it's not complicated, but you know, if you want to see it, let me know. All right, and I'm also using the concealer from the new Milani concealer line as well to do my under eye highlight. I'll put all the products that I use and the shades down below in the description box with any coupon codes I may or may not have that are probably affiliates, okay? So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out as well. I'm using this new brush from It Cosmetics. It's an angled foundation brush, but I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. It's really nice and soft, but maybe a little too soft. I don't know. I don't know. I also did get those new It Cosmetics foundations, but unfortunately, all the shades are way, way, way too dark for me, so I will be giving those away one day in one of these random giveaways that I've been doing. Okay, please do not DM me asking for them, but I will promise that I will give them away in a video very soon. Okay, you just have to actually be watching my videos to be entered into giveaways. That's all that I ask. I feel as though that is fair. Okay, I'm also using my Airspun powder, the neutral set formula, to set my highlight. Then I'm going to go in with my favorite contouring powder from L'Oreal. It's not a contouring powder, it's actually a foundation powder. This is their Pro Matte formula in the shade Coconut. And I'm just going to go ahead and warm up my face, add my contours back to my face and shapes and dimensions, just to give me a nice shaped face instead of everything looking round and flat. Once I'm done with my face contour, I like to go in and contour up my nose as well, using whatever product is left on the brush, you guys. I don't, add any extra because I don't want my nose to have like a super harsh contoured look. So I like my contour on my nose to be soft. And then for highlight, I'm using this bronzified loose highlighting powder from Makeup Addiction. And I just like to rub the edge with my finger just to kind of soften that out. And I'm going to go in with this Naked Cherry Blush Highlight Palette and just add a bit of blush, some color to my cheeks because remember, we're trying to get spring, okay? For lips, I'm using this Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide lip pencil in the shade Conspiracy. I'm just going to use this to outline my lips. Then I'm going to go in with an Urban Decay lipstick. This one is called Fuel 2.0. I love this shade, you guys. It's an orangey, peachy, nude shade. Really, really love to pair it with the Conspiracy lip liner. It looks really pretty, especially with some gloss on top of it. I went back in with a bit of lip liner just to darken it up just a bit, and then went in with my concealer brush to add a bit of foundation to clean up around my mouth area where it looked a little bit patchy and you can kind of see my hyperpigmentation through it. And then I also set that area with a bit of powder to keep it in place. The powder that I'm using is the Airspun powder, by the way. And to add a little bit more oomph to this look, after dusting this off, I decided to add some gloss to my lips to make them shiny. I feel as though that's very spring summery. So I added some gloss to there and some gloss on my lips. And for my wig that I made using hair from UNice, UNice hair. The information to the hair is down below. To the hair used is down below. This wig I colored myself. There is a video on me coloring this hair, so make sure you check that out. So I'm going to go ahead, once I have it on, add some powder, and I'm using a mixture of my contour powder and my foundation powder since, I'm now getting some sun again, but I still don't have like a darker complexion because it's not summer. So we're just mixing this up to kind of go with whatever I look like right now. Okay, so I'm adding this to the hairline part of the wig to kind of give it a bleached knot effect so it doesn't look super wiggy and you can't see the knots. I also put some of my Got to Be Free spray down to kind of make sure that melts in together. And I'm also going to put a bit of powder in my part. And that's it. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me and helps my channel. It makes me more visible. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. And I'll see you guys all in another video very soon. Let me know what colors you want me to use next, okay? Love you guys. Bye.